So hello friends, welcome back to another video. And there are many candidates who received the BGV mail recently, but their BGV link is not working. They are trying to log in, but they are facing some issue like primary mail ID issue. But they mail to the wipro. Wipro again send new link to all the people, those who send mail regarding the issue to the wipro. If you also receive the mail again, and now you are able to log in the BGV portal, but now you are facing the new issue, that is a date of birth issue. So in this video I will tell you how you can resolve this issue by following some steps. So you need to follow these steps, otherwise you are not able to complete your BGV 100%. It will cause problem in your BGV. So simply those who are able to log in and who are facing the date of birth issue, the issue is that when they are clicking on the calendar button icon, the calendar is not opening and they are not able to update their date of birth. So how they can resolve this issue? So before starting the video, I want to tell you this method is basically temporary method. If you update the date of birth through this method, it will not affect in their database. You don't need to worry about it, because if you are not able to update your date of birth, then still you will able to complete your profile 100%. And when you will complete your training, then wipro will take an online session in which you can ask the problem about your date of birth, and they will resolve it at that time. Or even after the onboarding, you can change your personal details, so you don't need to worry about it. Or else you can send an email to the wipro regarding your date of birth issue, so that they can fix this issue early. These are the permanent solutions, and the solution that I show in this video, that is beneficial only for the candidates who are basically not able to proceed to the next sections. For example, here you can see that my last name field is empty, but it is star marked. It is mandatory. The last name field is not empty. I am not able to proceed with the next, and last name field is not editable to me. So I used that method to make this field editable, and then I update the field, and I wrote my last name as a dot, because I don't have a last name in my documents. That's why I wrote dot, and then I am able to proceed to the next section. So if you have only this type of field that is empty, then you are able to use this method, and for date of birth you don't need to worry about it. So the first step is simply you have to right click on the screen, and then you have to click on the inspect button. Simply when you click on the inspect button, then you will get this type of interface in your screen. So the second step is simply you have to scroll down till the date of birth field. The third step is, here you can see the element selector button. Simply you have to click on this button, and the fourth step is go to your date of birth field and select this element, that is 27 August 2001, the date of birth field element. When you click on it, select this field, and in the right side you can see the highlighted part, this field code. Here you can find the property read only. Double click on this property, you will able to edit the property. Basically this property is true, and it will not allow you to update your date of birth here. So simply you have to remove this property by clicking the delete button, and then click enter. And now the fifth step is, again you have to go to your date of birth field, and now you are able to update your date of birth here. So now you have to write the date of birth, but here is the catch, you have to follow a format to fill the date of birth. So what is the format? Here you can see that first you have to write year, then hyphen, then month, then again hyphen, and then date. So simply you have to write like this, like my year is 2001, and then hyphen, then month, and then date. And simply you have to click on the screen, then you can see your date of birth is automatically updated here. So this is a temporary method, but it will resolve your problem and you can able to proceed further. But when you click on the refresh button, it will erase all the data from here. So you don't have to refresh the page, simply you have to click on the next button, and then you are able to proceed with the next sections. But as I said, this is a temporary solution, so I also did the inspect method in my last name field, and that's why I am able to proceed with the next but I also got the green audit mail. That means my documents got verified. It will not affect your BGV process, but when you completed your training, they will conduct an online session, and in that session, if they find any discrepancy or if you have any problem, then you can ask about the problem in that session. Then they will solve your problem at that time. So you don't need to worry about it whether your BGV process will affect this or not. I will show you the proof. I got the BGV mail and I have the last name issue, and still I have submitted my profile 100%. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you guys.